Hi, welcome back to the channel and another video. Today's video is going to be this 5-pin Euro cylinder, Iseo, for Stock Lock Sunday. It is closed, no key unfortunately, so let's grab the vise. Put this in. And let's see, so bottom of the keyray tension, definitely locked up. Let's see what we've got. I'll click on one there, two, three. Have a full set already on 4, 5, counter rotation on 5, nothing too taxing for a Sunday morning. Okay, so we're in. So let's grab the pin and tray and let's take a look inside this. We will need that. Turn the camera down for this one. Pop this circlip off the back. That off. Shim. Follower. Okay, so that's the core. Tip these out. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Yeah, it's just a standard driver pins, and we have a spool in 1, spool in 2, standard in 3, another spool in 4, and a spool in 5. So there we have it, a cheeky little Iseo 5-pin Euro for Stock Lock Sunday. Hope you guys have a cracking day. It's beautiful here, so good time for family time. Anyway, thanks for watching. Leave a like, feel free to comment, not just on this video, but you can give me some ideas or if there's anything you want to see. And if you haven't already done so, please subscribe to the channel, it's much appreciated. Have a good day and I will see you soon.